Hi guys, welcome to Quick Reviews Panel to Life, and we're here to review the Mega Preparedness Kit which I bought from the supermarket. So this one contains 3 cans of Mega Sardines, 1 can of Mega Tuna, 1 can of Mega Tuna's sweet and spicy. The first one is flakes in oil. Have 1 piece of bottled water, a, a LED flashlight, and a whistle. So if you could see, you have the sardines, you have the water, the can. So this would actually come in handy just in case of emergency. So let's open it now. So this one is actually available, I bought this one in Landmark supermarket. So, and it's worth 105 pesos. It's actually a good deal because for 105 pesos you already get these the can of sardines plus the extra emergency preparedness kit. So plus this nice container. So open it now, and just like it said, it has three, one, two, three mega sardines, the bottle of water, the mega tuna can for hot and spicy, and the mega tuna can for flakes and oil. But what's very interesting about this one is you have the whistle, you have the flashlight. So you could use the flashlight, of course, in emergency cases. So that's it. That's all we have for the Mega Preparedness Kit, and I hope you enjoyed this quick review from Man of Life. Hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my blog. So see ya!